I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by protecting the garment and loosening the bond. Turn it inside out and test an inconspicuous seam for heat or solvent reaction. Then apply steady heat. Use a hairdryer or iron on low until the sticker edge feels pliable. This softens the adhesive and reduces fabric stress. While you heat, position a plastic scraper and cotton swabs nearby because once the glue yields, you'll act quickly to lift without tearing. Make sure to work on a flat surface. Once the edge is raised, you peel slowly. Keep the motion parallel to the fabric to avoid stretching threads. If the sticker won't budge, apply a small amount of rubbing alcohol or an industry-safe adhesive remover to the adhesive with a cotton swab. This breaks the glue bonds. Once loosened, continue peeling and blot any transferred residue immediately. This prevents adhesive rewetting and redepositing. Make sure to rotate to fresh swabs so you're dissolving, not smearing the glue. Finish by cleaning the area. Work a small amount of liquid laundry detergent into the fibers with warm water, rub gently to lift film, then rinse thoroughly. Once rinsed, air dry the garment flat and inspect for any adhesive haze or fabric distortion before you launder normally. If you still see residue, repeat the solvent and blotting cycle or freeze the piece for 1 hour and scrape. This alternate method can make brittle adhesives pop off. Keep testing on hidden areas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.